Hello guys, and today we are duping LaFuFu. And we're not actually gonna be duping him, we're gonna dupe Pinkle. Pinkle. LaFuFu got sad, he didn't have any friends, so Pinkle stepped up and said, I'm gonna sacrifice myself so LaFuFu can have some friends. So yeah, we're gonna be duping, and we get something pretty crazy. Oh, guys, we got some LaFuFus for LaFuFu. Alright, I'm gonna put LaFuFu in the stash. I have some food and stuff in there. Have fun. Alright. I have items and ducks, so hopefully we can have it fully filled up. I don't have eggs this time, but hopefully it's fully filled up. And hopefully LaFuFu can have some friends. Pinkle sacrifice. That's it. Whee! Alright, all we need is a key card, and let's roll. It's gonna be an awesome sauce video. Hopefully we get it. I'm looking at you, Karen. I'm a key card. I'm scared of anger issues. Start calling her anger issues. Alright. Hopefully Robodog doesn't spawn. I hate Robodog. And I don't like how you can spawn down here. Actually, I would rather have Larry spawn than Robodog. You can Robodog. Alright, Larry spawn. It's good. For the video. Hopefully. Don't quote myself. I'm not gonna quote myself. But almost. Guys. Yeah. Pretend that didn't happen. Pretend that did not happen. I will be right back. Alright guys, I'm back in. That never happened. Winkle ate some Mega Broccoli. This is what happened. He went into the shredder, got pooped out over here, and he got bigger. He said he ate some Mega Broccoli. So I first time that he actually did. Let's go. Alright, guys. Hopefully we get some cool LaFuFus for LaFuFu. LaFuFus for LaFuFu. Let's go! Guys, we got some LaFuFus for LaFuFu. We got a water one. Oh my god! LaFuFu will have a little sister. That's amazing. Oh my god. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Post on the community. How it works is you go to the community, which is if you just pull up my channel, and then you have to be subscribed for a day, and you say what I should do for a video. Then every Friday, you spin a wheel, and whoever the wheel lands on I do that video idea. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. See ya guys later.